Okay, so now as you can see in front of you here is the multi-site dashboard. This is an overview of all your sites, but also an overview of all the different concessions as well. So if you had different coffee concessions, you can compare each to each other. As you can see here, it gives the different store names, breaks it down by city, sales, open stock, wastage, and goes on to your gross profit, etc. You can click on these headings and see top to bottom, which is good for comparing and contrasting each site. You can also click into each site. So if you wanted to see a certain site and drill into the numbers, you can just click on it there like that, and then it will bring up another tab where you can see the different graphs and the different figures and drill into the numbers a bit more. So as someone who's an area rep or an owner of multiple sites, it is very handy to see all this information, because maybe in one site you implemented some changes, then you can come on here, you can see the changes happening, and you can maybe go on and do those changes across other sites then to improve on whatever you're trying to improve on. You can see here that you can click into coffee, pizza, compare all the different stats from here as well. So all the stock counts and gross profit figures will be put in for each site, and you can compare again each site one against the other, see who's doing best, see who's doing worst, and just as the owner and site or store manager or area manager, being able to see all this information at a glance just makes things a lot easier. So if everybody was doing the stock take once a week, you basically have that information within a couple of minutes of it being synced to the cloud. So you have the real-time, up-to-date information of what's going on in not just one site, but across multiple sites as well.